to see about the key, so we can copy it again. The only thing that you have is to delete it to protect it, and you just need to create a new secret key. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can access your API key on ChatGPT. So what is the API key used for? I mean, if you are watching this video, then that means that you already know what it is for. So like, you can use it so that you can connect any platform that you have, maybe an app or your website, into the brain of ChatGPT so that it can access ChatGPT even if it's not the ChatGPT website or app itself. So it's pretty convenient. You can think of it as something like embedding, but it's also at the same time it's not, because embedding is just replicating something. ChatGPT API key is literally connecting that platform to the hive mind. Is that what it's called? The hive mind? But whatever. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to navigate to the website called platform.openai.com. When you go to here, this is what you will see. There's going to be docs/overview, and you'll be seeing all of these things and these things here, but these aren't important right now. What we need to be doing is to log in. So it's not that hard to log in into your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. So I'm just going to use my Google account to log in into this one. So here we have it. We now have these different parts here. What we need to do is to go to dashboard over here, and then on the left side you will see that there is API keys. So this is what we're going to be using. So we just need to head over here, and as you can see, we can now create an API key that we can access to for OpenAI API. So we can share it, but not with others, only for your browser or your client-side code. So it's just supposed to be for your own private use. Okay, now what we need to do is just create a new secret key, and we can give it a name if we want to. I'm just going to give it 1. Then we choose which project, and we can even choose what permission we want to have this on. I'm going to set this to all, and then it's owned by me, of course. I'm going to create the key. And as you can see, it's like this. And now we have this key. So the thing is, once we use this key, we go here. Once we use this key, let me start again. Let's revoke this key. Let's start again. Let's put 1 again, then create our new key. So we just need to copy this key now, and then we just need to paste it into somewhere that we want to use. Because the thing is, the moment we press done, you can never use that key ever again, like what you did earlier. So this is what we see now, and nothing to see about the key. So we can copy it again. The only thing that you have is to delete it to protect it, and you just need to create a new secret key. It's for your own protection. So yeah, everything is just one-time use. And the thing is, to be able to properly use your key, you need to also make sure that your account is, if you go here to settings and billing, you need to make sure that there is at least credit remaining on your account, that it's not on 0. So it should be at least above 0, okay, so that it will work. That's the only way you can have the API key working. So that's it. That is how you can access and find an API key for ChatGPT on OpenAI. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.